Wow! Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. Sorry about that. We go 5 hours. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Always do your best, but don't overdo. Practice makes the master. By doing your best over and over, you can master the art of transformation. By doing your best, the habit of misusing your word, taking things personally, and making assumptions will become weaker and less frequent with time. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We're at all-time highs. Market just don't stop. Dow Industrials up 144, NASDAQ up 87, S&P's up 18, gold contract down $10.10 at $1,246 an ounce. Silver down 20 cents, $16.46 an ounce. Copper up 2.5 pennies at $2.58 a pound. Light sweet crude down 59 cents, trading at $44.15 a barrel. Bottom line, oil wants lower price, gasoline wants lower price. Coming into the summer, folks, it looks like we're going to have very inexpensive gasoline, so our driving habits will be driving. 10-year note down 8 ticks, 126.21. 30-year bond off 7 ticks, 156.21. Now both notes and bonds, bottom line, they pull back dramatically lighter volume. You're talking about 1 million contracts versus 2.4 million on the 10-year, which is going into. They're both confirmed ABC structures on the way up. The Fed goes up on short-term interest rates last week. Bottom line, they look like they're going to go up once again before the end of the year, which is, we got another 6 months. But bottom line, market-wise, though, guess what? The 10 is still at 2.18. And 2.12 has been the low for the last 6 months. Last year, of course, it's down to 1.38, 1.35. We're right in about the middle for the last year. We're at 2.18. The ABC structure, if in fact that whole projection takes place, is going to get the 10-year under 2%. King dollar up 364 ticks, trading at 97.230. Bottom line, King dollar got a bounce going out there today. Volume's light, but did get a bounce going. Euro's trading at 111.5 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is at that's interesting. They're both the same price. Look at that. 111.5 also. 111.55, 111.50 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? You're at a new high, closes at a new high, does all the above. We are at 2452.67. It overtakes the intraday high of the 9th, which was 2446.20. That's saying, guess what? You get higher price, you can go higher. Dow Industrials, that has just taken off each and every day. And this leg today is quite a leg, actually. 144 bucks. You know, it's only like 0.6 of 1%. But what you do have, because we're much larger numbers now, but what you do have out here is that you're getting away in a big way of the consolidation, because the consolidation that this had been in as it took off on the 8th of June, the top of that consolidation was 21,169. And you can see, bottom line, you're a good 269, yeah, you're 350 points higher than that. Inside the Dow Industrials today, the strength that was inside the Dow that was putting the points into it, you had Goldman Sachs was the leader. Goldman was putting 29 points into it, positive points. Apple was putting 27. Boeing was putting 18. Home Depot was putting 14. JP Morgan was putting 12. Taken away from it, Travelers was taking 8 negative points, putting 8 negative points into it. Chevron 6, Exxon 4, IBM 3. Bottom line, you can see the positive overtook the negative in a huge way. Inside the NDX 100, now NDX 100 up 90 bucks, 57.72. This is into the last Wednesday where the Fed met. The high there was 57.74. We made 57.76. It's closing at 57.72, but I expect that's going to go right after those highs again, highs of the 14th tomorrow. NDX 100, what do you have with the NDX, the Qs? We take a look at the Qs. That closed at a high, $140.46. That's going after the $140.93, which was generated out here in the 14th. Now, anemic volume, bottom line, you're doing 36 million shares. You're going into 60 as well as 109. We'll see how the Qs handle the 140.93 tomorrow. Gold contract needs a bid, big time. Gold contract comes down to $10.30, trading at 12.46. Your sign of strength from the 17th is 12.40 even on this contract. I expect you're going to go after it. We did 170,000 contracts. Now that's light contract volume as you're pulling back. Bottom line though, it's got a whole price now. And if we do get into, let's see, so the 12.40 is the number. That's the number you want to keep your eye on. That's where the strength came in. And if we do go over and we take a look at the GLD, so you can look at the volume characteristics inside here, what you're going to see is that you pull back today with 6 million shares. Bottom line, you're going into 13.9. So the GLD as well as the contract is pulling back with light volume, but the 12.40, if that breaks, you're going to go to the lowest swing point. The oil contract, let's go take a look at oil out here. Oil is also having a tough time holding price, period. That was down 1.3% today. Trading $44.33. This is broken out its bottom. So oil, folks, the low that it was going after was the low from May 5th. That was $44.45. You broke it today. 598,000 contracts. You take a look at this, that is saying that oil is going to go after the lower end of this consolidation that it's been in. And this is going to be quite a move here. So we're at 44.13. Next swing low is 42.20 to under 40. More than likely, you're going to see this trying to test the swing low of the week of August 5th of last year, which is 39.19. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Yeah, we'll talk about natural gas. Natural gas is under $3. Took a big hit. We're going to be right back, folks.